Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We've got a bit of a project on our hands today, okay? I actually started this project 3 months ago and it became much bigger than I had ever expected it to be, so I just never finished it. And it took a global quarantine for me to actually finish this project. If you haven't already guessed it by the title of this video, I did a massive clean out on my makeup drawers, my makeup area, and I can tell you as of now, I just finished the project and I feel much better. I feel more like zen, and it's gonna be a satisfying video. If you guys like watching massive clean outs and organization videos, you might like this video because there's a lot of organizing going on. First, we're gonna have to go back 3 months to the beginning of this venture and I will show you what I was working with. It's pretty wild. Got a lot of stuff, okay? This video is solely gonna be just on organizing my area and like cleaning it out. If you guys want to see a full vanity tour and an actual like makeup collection tour, let me know. I won't be going into too much detail on that, but I'll just be showing you how I organize my stuff. So without further ado, if you guys want to see how much of a pig I really am, then please keep watching. Alright, so as you can see, I have such a cluster of makeup up on top of my drawers here. And even on the sides over here, like this is all makeup in these bags because I haven't been able to go in my drawers because they are so unorganized. So this is going to be a very satisfying video for some of you freaks out there who like to watch cleaning videos like I do. Okay, let's just see. This drawer is not too bad, but it's definitely not good whatsoever. So my lipstick drawer. This is usually a drawer where I keep my stuff that I use every day, and I've been just throwing like new makeup products in here, things that I haven't even opened yet. Like I have so much new makeup that I have not even opened yet in here. Like I have drawers and drawers and drawers of it. Like look at this. That's all brand new makeup that I've never used before. I just literally just shoved it in. You guys, this is awful. I don't want to do it. But I'm gonna do it and it's gonna be satisfying. So let's do this. I'm gonna take everything out of my drawers. I even have these drawers over here. What's in here? This one's not too bad, but still not good. Not good enough. I want everything to be just perfect. This drawer is all brand new makeup, which I have never used before. Like, is that sick? Am I sick? Do I have problems? Don't answer that. It's fine. Face primers where the lipsticks go. What the heck? This is in hair. Yeah, we need to deep clean. Even my foundations. Yeah, this is sick. This is sick. Pretty disgusted with myself. This is the drawer that I've been dreading. But so many fun things. I can't wait to get into it. Once everything's organized, I just know that I'm gonna be so much happier and I'm gonna get better use out of my makeup, and it's just absolutely insane that I even have this much, but I do get a lot through PR, and I also am a shopaholic. So, you know, what can you do? What can you do? I would say about 50% of this is through PR and the rest of it I do purchase. So I don't really purchase too much makeup, and when I do, it's because there's a huge massive sale going on or something like that. So I like to shop sales. I like to shop in general. Jesus. Alrighty, so here is the cleaned off version of my desk. Now, this tabletop has been through like 6 moves. It's probably 7 years old, so I'm thinking of lining it with like that marble contact paper. Has anybody ever tried that? What do you guys think of that? Because it's been through the ringer, it's getting ugly, and I'd like to try and you know, salvage the desktop if I can. So I've got these little placemats over top of it for now because it's pretty nasty. I mean, I've got like little scratches. See that? Yeah, I've got like scratches underneath and whatnot. So we just cover that up for now. But has anybody used the contact paper? Let me know because I'm definitely considering that. In this little container thing here, I have all of my face products, everything that I use on a daily basis right here. And any palettes that I'm trying to use up or just use more of, I keep out on my vanity. So these switch out, you know, by the week usually. So I never have the same thing in there more than, you know, a couple months. Over here we have some of my liquid lipsticks. I have a whole nother container like this filled with liquid lipsticks. That is my jam. I love liquid lipsticks. And then of course over here we have all of my brushes. I swapped out my brushes from its previous container because I could just see them all a lot more in this little container here. This is actually a foam container by Polar Whale, and it's actually meant for lipsticks, but I just keep my brushes in there because they just fit perfectly and I can display them really nicely without, you know, losing brushes in the mix, because sometimes that can happen if you have them in cups. You forget about a brush. These are all out so I can see them, so I love that. All right, you guys, we're gonna start off with my favorite drawer. I love this one because it is so aesthetically pleasing. Look at that. This is just gorgeous. Oh my gosh, so much better than what it was before. Like, ugh, so much better. So this drawer houses all of my loose pigments and my glitters. And again, we have another organizer by Polar Whale. Huge shout out to Polar Whale for sponsoring this video. Thank you guys so much. I have a few other organizers from them in the drawers to come. This organizer, I believe, was supposed to be a nail polish organizer. I don't really have any nail polishes, but I think it fits my loose pigments in here perfectly. And then I also like that it's a shorter organizer so you can put other stuff in here. So this is actually an ice cube tray that I got from the dollar store, and this just has all of my glitters in it. So love this drawer. Like I said, this is going to be mostly about organization. I'm not really going to go into detail on products. So if you guys want to see a makeup tour, let me know. This is more so just for organizational purposes, okay? So let's move along. All right, so in this drawer we have mostly my cream products for faces. So I've got primers and foundations, and then of course I've got my little sponges over here. What's kind of interesting is that this organizer, these are supposed to be for little lipsticks, so you really could use it for that, but I like to stick my sponges in here because I like to keep a theme with each drawer. So I've got all my sponges over here, and then I just laid these two products. I've got my face setting spray and then another tall foundation over here. I just laid them down because they can't stand up in the drawer without hitting the top of the drawer when you close it. Again, this one is by Polar Whale as well, and this fits my primers and my foundations perfectly. So over here down this aisle, right, I'll call them aisles, down this aisle right here we've got my primers, so all different types of fun stuff. Down here we have all primers. Over here I've got my little sponge cleaning bars of soap. And then I've got some oddball products that wouldn't fit into the organizer. So just a couple primers down here. Okay, moving right along to this drawer. We have another aesthetically pleasing one in my opinion. So the organizer back here once again is by Polar Whale, and then what I like about it once again is that it's shorter, so it fits this one in perfectly. So in this container I keep, I think most of these are just loose setting powders, and maybe we got one bronzer, but this entire drawer is mostly blushes, highlighters, and bronzers. So down this aisle right here we have all of my highlighters right along the side over here. So yeah, all different types of highlighters. I love a good highlighter. And then down here is kind of a mixture of highlighters and blushes, so I've kept my highlighters right up in the front here, and then from there on out it's all blushes. I've got blushes back here, and then I think I have like these three right here are bronzers. Actually, oh no, there's a highlighter in the bronzer area. That's not appropriate. Where am I gonna put it? There we go. I feel better. Do you feel better? I do. So yeah, that is my blush and highlighter and bronzer drawer. Alright you guys, so next up we have an eyeshadow drawer, and I had so much fun with this one because I personally love eyeshadow. So once again down here I have another little ice cube tray. I'm not going to take it out because I don't want to break a nail. But yeah, we got some tape in here because I like to do my little cat eyes with the tape. I've got mostly like kind of like cream eyeshadows in here. I also have some cream eyeshadows that didn't fit that go in here. And then over here I keep my glitters and liquid glitters. I have a lot of glitter eyeliners in here in this little section over on this side. I keep all of my felt tip liners in here as well. I guess mostly I just use felt tip liners. I don't mess with a stick liner. I don't like stick liners. I just like a good felt tip. Oh my god, so this stinking does anybody have this eyeliner? Because the lid always pops off and it dries out. There's a flaw in this packaging and it drives me insane. Does anybody else feel my pain with that one? Anyways, we've got some more cream eyeshadows over here. So very exciting drawer for me. I love myself a good eyeshadow. And before we move on to the next set of drawers on the other side, we have this drawer right here. Not the most aesthetically pleasing thing in the world, but it's very usable. This is the drawer that I use most out of anything. So in this drawer, I try and put products that I'm trying to use up, products that I want to use more of. So anything that I want to use that month, I'll put in there. So the products in here kind of fluctuate, kind of switches around. So right now I'm trying to use up some of these loose powders. I've got my MAC Studio Fix, which I use every single day, so that stays up here. I'm trying to use more sponges in my life. Bronzers, blushes, anything you need for a full face is right in here. Just whatever product it is that I'm trying to use up for that day. We got some highlighters, more highlighters. So these concealers right here never change. This is where all of my concealers go. So we've got all of my different types of concealers in here. And right here we have some brow products. Really the only thing I use out of here is the Stila brow product, but we've got brow gels, we've got scissors, razors, everything you need for brows. We got more brow razors over here. And then back here, I don't really get to this too often because I use the same mascara every day, but I just got different types of mascaras in here. But I use the Lash Paradise every single day, so I don't mind that it's in the back where it's not as accessible because I don't use that drawer as much. So actually this top drawer right here has nothing in it. I just kind of throw my lashes in there lazily after I'm done using them. So this drawer I'm kind of reserving for product that I'm getting in the future this year. So this drawer will be filled up probably within a couple of months. Moving along down to this drawer, this is my lip drawer. So this one's kind of exciting. I only have a few lipsticks. These are the only lipsticks that have made it out of my purge because I got rid of most of the other ones because I really only use liquid lipsticks. So these ones are just some staples that I hold on to. We've got some lip glosses in here. I really don't use a lot of lip glosses, but these ones I just kind of pop in the center of my lip to give it a little bit of shine. So gotta have my lip glosses, and then we have more lip liners down here. And down here we have my palette drawer. So there's really no rhyme to the reason, just however I could fit it in, I did. So back behind here, I have some fatter palettes that couldn't be stacked upright. So I've got some palettes back there. And then we just have lots of my chocolate bar palettes. I went through a chocolate bar obsession like 2 years ago, and I just got pretty much all of them, and I don't really use them too much anymore, so they kind of just live in this drawer. Just any other kind of palettes that I get that I can fit in here. I don't even think I can fit any in here anymore, so I probably have to get some more Alex drawers once I get more palettes. So lots of palettes. I really like eyeshadow. Moving along, here we have a bunch of makeup that I have yet to use or that I want to use in videos. Some stuff that I purchased for hauls and stuff like that that I just haven't gotten around to filming yet. So basically in here we have all new makeup. Behind the new makeup I've got my like artistic stuff. So I've got like gems for eyes, and we've got like chalk, stuff to color your hair, just come like fun Halloween type makeup back here, which obviously I don't use every day, so I keep it in the back. Last but not least, we have my lash drawer, and this just has all of my different types of lashes in here. Literally like 95% of these are from shopmissa.com. I really love my Shop Miss A lashes. These are my favorite Alexis lashes. Ugh, these are amazing. So yeah, all lashes here. Some fun eye jewels, stuff like that. You know, everyday stuff, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, I left these kind of open here because I do plan on purchasing more lashes. I actually just purchased more lashes, so I had to leave a little room for those guys. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe to it. Hit that little bell button. That will notify you every time that I post a new video. I've also been uploading more to my Instagram so you guys can just get to know me a little bit better, and you know, I post a little bit more of my everyday life on there, so be sure to follow me on that. It's Lacey Nicole G. And that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys next time.